Okay. And we started our journey. Yeah, you've got food here.
Oh, sorry.
Is that? Wow, they're cool now.
Yeah, these are like they've been made for this performance that's going to be at 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
And the audience get to move the puppets and like manipulate them, and then they're on those carts, so the piece travels across this area.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that'd be good.
So if you're around at 3 o'clock, come and join in.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
No, that'd be good.
There's this one.
No.
This one starts here, and this one starts just over by John Lewis.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
There you go. Get all your angles. Get your angles.
Wow, that's cool. That is cool, that. That's really cool.
It is great to see you. Here we go. 5, 6. Ladies and gentlemen, I ran out, I'm so sorry. Welcome to the Liverpool and Palito Show! Hello! Oh my goodness, there are so many of you. This is amazing to see. Thank you. What a great audience. You know, since the bad people have arrived in our country, everybody has been too scared to leave their homes and to watch our concerts. Myself and Lee Bruce are musicians, and we go around the world playing to thousands of people like you. Where have you come from today, sir? Here. Here. That sounds like a good place. Where is here near? Tuxton. Near here, Tuxton. Very good. Amazing. Great. Where have you guys come from today? Where have you come from? Liverpool. Oh, that sounds very nice. Where have you come from? Beijing. You know, it is never a competition, but she has just won. Well done, everybody. I mean, it might be nice as here near Tuxton. That sounds pretty good to me. Guys, it's so good to see you all. This is where I am from. Myself and Lee Bruce. As you can see, we build it from the ground up. It is very eco-friendly. Over here, we have our little fire pit. Can you guys do the fire pit like this? Do this to me? Yes, oh, very nice and warm, very good. Oh, a little bit too warm, maybe. Over here, we have the bamboo jacuzzi, and it kind of sounds like this. Can you do that? Yes, round of applause. Very good. Yes, this is that type of show you will be involved. In the middle, we have a most prized possession. It is the eco-toilet. And that gets a laugh every time. Everybody likes to, I don't know why. Anyway, without any further ado, oh yes, the fire's still going, very good. Let me introduce you to Lee Bruce.
Woo!
You guys are very nice, but I think he might be sleeping. Let's try again. Lee Bruce!
Woo!
Or a little bit of movement. Do you know what? I don't think it's going to work. There's no use shouting at him, guys. We have to play a beat to wake him up. What do you think? It sounds like this, everybody. It's very, very easy. Yes. Let's go. Yes, good. Woo! Very good. Let's see if it works. Come on, Nicholas. Work up. You know, he's going. Keep going, everybody. Yeah! Hey, what took you so long, man? Huh? Give me a nice hug, you big oh yes. Hello. It's good to see you, my friend. Your breath stinks. Morning breath, huh? Woo! What took you so long? These people... How dare you, Lee Bruce? These people have come all the way from Beijing to see you. Huh? Yes. Anyway, we can talk about it later. Just be careful, huh? We can talk about it later. Right, now it is time for a hit single of 2021. Are you ready? A 5, 6, 7. Woo! Woo! You guys hear that? Woo! What is it? It kind of sounds like a pigeon. Woo! Look who it is! Come here, sir! Nice to see you! It is Javier, the messenger pigeon! Javier! used to do for us in Liverpool. Liverpool remembers? Yes, yes, remember? Show us, Javier. Very good, Javier. We should change your name to MJ. That was amazing. You have a message for Lee Bruce. Well, I don't speak pigeon very well, so why don't you tell Lee Bruce your message right now, Javier? Yes, yes. Put your arms up to him like this and tell him. Yes, Javier. So good to see you. Well done, Javier. Thank you so much. No good. Why do you go off doing your dance? Give him a round of applause, everybody. Javier, very, very nice. What? Lee Bruce. What was his message? Bad people are coming. They've arrived at the nearest village. What else? We have to leave. Right now. No! I'm not going to leave. They can come and get me. What's that? They are going to ban music. Oh no. Lee Bruce just said they're banning music. That is bad. That is really, yes. That is really bad. No. Without music, we don't have our lives. We don't have our livelihoods. Oh, okay. We have no choice, Lee Bruce. We have to go. Right. Okay, let me get my stuff. Here we go. Let me get my little bag here. We must not litter. Right. I am going to take my drum with us so I can play music wherever we go. And Lee Bruce, you are taking your medicine. That is a good idea. We have a little bit more room. If you had to go on this journey, what one item would you take, madam? Your phone! A very pragmatic traveler. And it goes, hello, ma'am. And it goes very good, yes. Oh, what would you take? Moist! Very, very good. We might end up somewhere very dry. Who knows? And it goes, what brand is it? Yes, sounds lovely. Nice and moist. In it goes. What did you take? You teddy bear. You guys are such a lovely audience. Nice. You will be nice, moisturized, and with your teddy bear. Amazing. Right. Let's go. We don't have enough time. Oh, before we leave, I need to teach you guys something. And it's very simple. All I say is all together, and you reply. All together, and clap at the end. Together. Here we go. It sounds like this. All together. All together. All together. All together. Yes. You guys are a great audience. Right. We are all going in that direction. Follow me. Let's go. Follow the beat of my drum. Give the puppeteers a round of applause. Woo! Audience, come over this way with me. Let's come and see the show. You guys can join in. Very nice. We're here, the edge of our country. We have never been this far before, Lee Bruce. This is a long way for us. Boy, and I'm getting a little bit nervous now. But we are here together. So let's go. Here we go. Let's take a step over to... Oh, no. All our moving and playing has caught the attention of a border guard. Oh, let me put my other props in here. They weren't meant to come out. Where's the border guard? Are you a border guard? You want to be a border guard? No. Well, who wants to be a border guard? You want to be a border guard? Yes, round of applause for the border guard. What is your name? Catherine, nice to meet you, border guard Catherine. You look very experienced in this role. How long have you been a border guard for? 2 minutes. 2 minutes? A lifetime of experience. Well, great. What? You need our documents. Me and Lee Bruce don't have documents. We barely have our instrument. You're serious. Right. I have an idea. in grandmother's footsteps. Have you guys played? Do you know how to play? You know what? Come and play with me then. If you know how to play, come. Do you know how to play grandmother's footsteps, Borodon Kadu?
Yeah.
Yes? So this is what happens. You can look around whenever you want, and we have to try and get past you. If we are moving when you look around, we are out. But if we freeze, then we are safe. Does that make sense? Here we go. Everybody is playing. Everybody is playing. Libros, you are very good at this game. Let us play. Here we go. At 3. Give us a little bit more space.
There you go, there you go.
Here we go. At 3, 2, 1, go. Very good teamwork. We are too good for you, Bodyguard Catherine. Oh, yeah! It was just me saying, you know, we play this game everywhere we go and I always lose. What a coincidence. It must be something to do with the plot. Maybe. Who knows? Thank you so much, Bodyguard Catherine. Round of applause, everybody. Actually, stay here. I need it for a little bit. No, Bodyguard Catherine, you want a bribe?
Yes.
You are evil, Bodyguard Catherine.
I am.
Well, we have a mobile phone. Oh no, we should probably keep that. Oh, moisturizer. You are already moist. Okay. What else? What was the last? Oh, a teddy bear. No, I don't want to give that away either. No. Well, Lee Bruce has an idea. Money. Oh, okay. How many gold pieces do you want for us to cross the border?
15 billion.
15 billion? Woo! I mean, inflation is pretty high currently, but that is still a lot of money. 15 billion? Okay. Lee Bruce, well, that's all we have. We're gonna have to give it to her. You ready? Get your money. Bodyguard Catherine, he's going to give it to you. It turns out we are pretty rich. 15 billion gold coins. Amazing. Thank you so much, Bodyguard Catherine. Round of applause, everybody. Woo! That was a little bit steep to me. But here we go. We've paid, and now all we have to do is step in that direction. So, everybody, we're going to step at the same time. Yes, Libus, you too. Ready? We're going to step at the same time. Ready? Up, and we're over. Oh. That wasn't so bad. But, this is nice, this little... Oh, everybody look! The stars are out! Wow, that is amazing! You know what would be really, really cool? Is that everybody with a smartphone took it out of their pockets right now and put on the torch! Just put on the torch element of your smartphone right now and hold it up! Right up Capricorn or something! Very, very good! Amazing! Oh, and the clouds have come over the Milky Way and you can all put your phones away for serious. Yes! Oh, where's my shooting star? Go get a shooting star! You have to run across the stage, shooting star! Someone put a shooting star for me! Oh, you want to keep the shooting star? It's a very pretty star. It is a... Let's pretend the shooting star has flown over our head. The shooting star is back again. Thank you so much. Good job. Oh, everybody. Let's make a wish for the shooting star. Everybody, close your eyes, make a wish. I'm going to wish for Lee Bruce. I wish for you, buddy. Okay, here we go. Okay, I've got one. What is your wish? Oh no, don't tell me. Lee Bruce says that if we tell people our wishes, they will not come true. You don't believe me? Well, when I was young, all I wished was to be wrong. Then Lee Bruce came along and took me under his arm. Yes, we've been together ever since, and he is like a father figure to me. This guy. I love you, dude. Go to sleep, okay? We'll talk about it later. He needs a nice bit of rest. Let's all go to sleep. I'm gonna take one last look around the camp right now. One last look. Yeah, oh! You know what would be terrible right now? Is that all the people that I gave eye patches to, yes, at the beginning of the show, you need to put them on right now and kind of gather over here in this corner. That would be awful. A terrible turn of events if that were to happen. Right here, right now, yes, as I'm turning my back to say good night to Liverpool. Pirates! Oh, wake up, Libros! Wake up! Let's go! Oh, they look horrible. Look at them all. And they are slowly edging this way. They're coming. Oh, but we don't have any money. We don't... Medicine? Wait, stop! Medicine, Libros? Oh, wait, they want with your medicine. Yes. They do look kind of ill. Look at them, all of them just throwing up all over the place. Aren't you? That is disgusting. Okay, I guess you're right, me Bruce. Give me your medicine. Let me see what I can bottle for. Thank you. You look like you're Captain Material. What is your name? Giacomo. Yes! Nice to meet you, Giacomo. Oh, I have an idea. Whenever I say Giacomo, everybody, put your hooks up like this and go, ah! Your best pirate impression, okay? Let's try it. Giacomo!
Ah!
Yes, Giacomo!
Ah!
Giacomo!
Ah!
Yes, keep an ear out for it. It will come around more often than you think. Giacomo!
Ah!
Yes, good, come here, Giacomo, with me. I will give you this medicine for safe passage. But you have to promise to take us to the next step in our journey, okay? The new land. All right, Giacomo?
Ah!
It was terrible. Everybody just watching the play. Giacomo!
Ah!
That's amazing. Right, here you go. Point to us in the direction you want to travel in, Giacomo. That is a good idea. Everybody, let's go that way. Oh, wait. All together.
All together. All together.
All together.
Together.
Amazing. Follow me. Come on, me, Bruce. Walk with me. We're all going that way. Come on, Giacomo. Lead the way. Oh, you're on the leg. Okay, that's fine. Let's go. Come on, you Bruce. Okay, Lee Bruce, you can chill out here. Oh no! He is looking more ill already. Look at him, he is shaking all over the place. Oh no. Right, well, wait a minute! Giacomo!
Ah!
This does not look like the new land at all. This just looks like a weird sort of camp. You are leaving us? But how long for? How long will you take until you come back? How many days? 700 million days! You guys like big numbers today. 15 billion for the border crossing, 700 million days to come back. That must be a lot of years. Okay, I mean, I guess we have no choice, Bruce. You're gonna have to wait that long without your medicine. Okay, everybody say goodbye to Giacomo!
Ah!
Good. Round of applause for Giacomo, everybody. Round of applause. You okay, buddy? Hang in there, okay? Woo! Shiny! Giacomo! What? Well, it might come in handy later, okay? Well, all we have to do now is wait for 700 million days. Just waiting. That is a long time, right? That's a long time. Yes. I don't even have a watch. Madam, what year is it? 2021! Oh, that is much, much longer than 700 million days! Oh, this is bad! This is bad! And Giacomo hasn't come back! Where's Giacomo? He's not back! Oh, this is really bad! This is terrible, guys! And Lee Bruce! You are shaking, still he's shaking, everybody! Oh, he's looking much iller. Do we have a doctor? Anybody here a doctor? You sir? No, you man. You a doctor?
I'm a wizard.
He's a witch doctor.
Hey!
I'm a musician and comedian, it would seem, this is badly, Bruce. Look, you look so ill. Let me feel your forehead. We need to make a decision. Come on, Palito. This is it. The moment he's trained you up for your entire life. Woo, I know. What shall we do? No! Don't ask an audience member, Palito. It is too much pressure. I'm so sorry. Enjoy the rest of the show. Woo! Shiny! Hello! Hey! Do you guys think that this little little thing, when it is a worm, it knows that it is going to grow up into a cocoon and then transform itself into a beautiful butterfly. Am I the beautiful butterfly? Thank you, shiny thing. Yes! Right, okay, this is it. I am the beautiful butterfly, and I must make a decision. And I've made a decision to leave. Yes, and find a new land myself. Yes! Yes, I think that is a good idea, don't you? Yes! Right, okay. Lee Bruce, can you come with me one last time? Everybody, let's go in that direction. One last time to find Lee Bruce's medicine and the new land. No, let us play our beat from the beginning of the show to get us there. Do you guys remember? It was like this. Yes. Now, let's go. Come on, Lee Bruce. Come on, guys. What is that? Come on, Lee Bruce. Oh, he's looking really ill. Come on, dude. Come on. Let's stop right here, Lee Bruce. Thank you, guys. Hey, Bruce. Oh, no. He's looking more ill by the second. Oh, man. So, let's round up this story, guys. The bad people came to our country, and they banned music, right? Which means we have to leave. Yes, boo! Let's boo the bad people. Yes, and then boo the guard, Catherine. You asked for 15 billion gold pieces. Look, you used it to buy a slushie. It is not even that warm. It is about to rain, and you bought a slushie. So we had to leave. And then we arrived at our border. We had to cross it. We arrived at the camp. And then Giacomo. Yes, Giacomo came, broke their promise, and left us behind. And now it is up to me and Lee Bruce to make something here in this new, strange land. Let's go. Let's go. What song is it you were just singing? What are you doing here? Oh, this is absolutely ridiculous. I'll go first, okay? Okay. My name is Calito, and this is Lee Bruce.
Hi, Calito. Hi, Lee Bruce.
I'm sorry. He is usually nicer. It's just he's ill. We had to give away his medicine.
Oh, no, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. What is your name?
Oh, well, my name is Asgia, and this is my mum, Amna.
Hello, Amna. Oh, she looks a little bit sad to me, guys.
She is sad. We've left our home and everything we've known.
Me too.
Well, then we had to take a treacherous journey.
Yes, us as well.
Well, then we were betrayed by an evil pirate.
Let me guess. Giacomo!
Wow.
Guys, well remembered.
Yes, Giacomo said that they would be back in 700 million days, and they did not show up, even after all that time.
Oh my gosh! Well, Giacomo promised to take us to safety, and he didn't. He just took my grandma's butterfly brooch.
This butterfly brooch?
It is! This butterfly
There you
brooch!
go!
You like it?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, Giacomo must have dropped it when they left.
Oh, thank you so much!
What a coincidence!
Oh, no. She's still so sad. I mean, of course she is. We've left our home and our family and travelled so far, and now we're here. We don't even know where we are.
Where even is here? Can you guys help us out? You, sir. Where are we? Liverpool? Liverpool! The new life! This is not that bad. Who do you listen to in Liverpool, musician-wise? The Beatles! What? That is such a weird name for a band, like a little animal, like a... Oh, that is strange. Well, they sound nice, but I don't think they like my music. I don't think they...
You can get it all.
You guys will like me at all. This is just hopeless.
Oh no, wait! Oh, come on, Astria, what can you do? Your friend is without hope. Come on, Astria. Think, Astria. Come on, Astria. Astria, my name, it means light of hope. I might not have had a lot of hope before, but think now. Maybe if we plant Mum's seed, something may grow, and we may have a chance in the new land. Oh. What's that beat you're playing?
Well, we kind of made it up, right, guys? We're playing it right now. Good.
Can we hear it? Guys, I think our song fits with their beat. We ready to sing as loud as we can? Yes?
What?
I know this. Here our song, take my hand, together here on this shared land. Renew your soul and lift your eyes. Take a breath, take in the sky. Oh my God! Oh, Lee Bruce, you're looking so much better already. Oh my God. You know what this means, everybody? We are going to have to play harder and
Sing louder! Is everyone ready?
here we go, everybody. Yes. Wherever you are, the stars remain. Friends bring hope to ease our pain. Our voices are power, our stories are own. Learn from each other to make a new home. Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Woo! Amna, hello, nice to meet you. Woo! High five. It's grown. It means we can make it here in Liverpool, the new land. Awesome. I can't believe your healing song worked for Lee Bruce.
I know, and Mum's so much happier now we've worked all together.
Together? All together!
All together, all together, all together,
All
together,
All together!
together.
Ah, yes,
Good
everybody!
job, everyone. Thank you so much for helping. Present for you all.
Look at
Any
this!
kids want to come and take some seeds home and make something grow?
Before that, guys, let's give a round of applause to Lee Bruce!
Yes!
Woo!
And to Anna!
Anna!
And the
And
puppeteer!
a wonderful puppeteer!
Thank you so much!
Thank you so much. If you've enjoyed the show, we've been the P Collective. If you haven't, this is the National Theatre. Goodbye!